Elke donderdagavond live muziek. The Sound of Haarlem.
Little boy lost since his mom's been away. It feels like ages she flies home today. He's got a plan that will make her stay. Who knows, maybe. Chelsea's his father, a son of the soil, training his geese, what a handful of joy. Charles is a man now, no longer a boy. Who knows, maybe. Maybe she will see that she can't live without them. Maybe she will see that he's worthy of love when he saves the looming plane from a certain disaster. He will claim Sully be flying, no reason to scare. The boy and his skis, two heroes compare. The plane it glides in on a wing and a prayer. Who knows, maybe. Who knows, maybe. Maybe she will see that she can't live without them. Maybe she will see that he's worthy of love when he saves the looming plane from a certain disaster. He will claim. Horse she did falter in quicksand, faced death. Farmer stepped up, drove a nail through her head. Back in the days when true heroes were bred. Who knows, maybe. Who knows, maybe.